Ever since I saw that video of a 2-year-old in the hospital because he fell out the back of a toddler tower, I've been so scared of these things. But I found this one. It's a 4-in-1 and it has a safety net in the back. And this thing is so sturdy. I actually felt comfortable with this one. The tower folds flat for storage and moving purposes. It has a chalkboard on the back, and then it also turns into a slide. And honestly, this thing has not been living in the kitchen as much as I'd like it to. We mostly have it out as a slide in the living room. But while I'm cooking or they're wanting to snack while I'm making dinner, we've definitely been pulling into the kitchen, and I have felt so safe and content with it. If you've been nervous about toddler towers too, I feel like this one is just so much more safe, and you really get your money out of it with all of the different activities it comes with.